Yes, I can open it. Kasi bin so ewo ha. Opening the dia do na enim no honorable Nyante. Or a former assembly member. And the former assembly members ewo fi ha pa. Osai research and election director Esigma Odobin Brakwa district for NPP. Ono ena yensa aka no ewo fidie mu. Opening empepesu yema akwaba eba brema man TV so.
Opening me da sibebre.
Wapom ti say
adomia ya me de ache.
Ebusuafo no bia ho ye.
Divine selection aka na mituma aka say e di mefa akwanya kase a odi ama yeso na bechia na nado endra na launch your manifesto.
Sure.
Na ye de two bia say Central Region ati wo fi oye. Na ye pese ye de adwumedi no ye de ba Central Region ye wu se governance na ende ye no ye dwi nipa wonda da setena ho nti ye hye ye omampani na be de achi na pamfo a ne ye kan se yame ehia wo nchi akese ye de mo we nti e bi so bio me de ma ye ne MP Honorable Anthony Efa ono se eja wo bra hye bedwuma ogina squad of Mbra kwa on the name of MPP ne ye kan se MPP abo ya homode ye owura odum ye DC ye ina ye MPC parliamentary candidate Honorable Eje Domson ye kan se ye da na se ene wa mama na ewi ma sheki Emma, you can say, Sabi, how you be in the stronghold, did it? Young direct opponent in the stronghold, but you send Seme Adoma. As we have recorded them, say, one no, what we are part of Edema, MPP, Amayukua, a Kanye manifesto, a Kanye records, and say, bedroom to Abama, and the Jidi say, and your Mabako ye can say, Eddie Amaye, and your Mabako ye can say, Eddie Amaye, Semitio Casano, young man penny manifesto on the 200, or my etias, I do fear you. Na udina bedum sese ya meno ekasa e obedumi na hanso akwa direct opponent ni kromi asemben e na beka che bedum MPP fo ene bedum NDC fo na omwate ase na omabeto aba no e ama Honorable Eje Domson ene MPP beda sibebre de bia ekasa se ope wo yire nembre wa bomu a no akwhwe wasew isa se wonya hwe wasew abehu se da be meyiri nyame ya adoma ase no be ye fa na se nye fe woni nembre wa brim na MPP de aye bi pen isa se hwe omampani kufuo oba ode health insurance ba ede free basic education ede ba ode nyoma ebetuma aboa me yendumedi akoso yendada setene mu no ndc fu anje ndi sana na do body free SHS ede ba de be ma ebi mu adwuma ya na ndc fu nje ndi but ende me no mienu ne yedi ho adase se ye hwe adwumedi a akoso sisi a ene ye hwe pempensu a na pamfo na bo Anthony Efa mu nyina ka ho ye MPC a no ye former DC wo nyina wo ka ho pagya oman ya kodum pempensu bi a onuane America che wan se aye bi da wo ho a ye nkohwehwe de bi ebeye because ye commission factories ye commission boreholes ye commission enyoma esoson ya etumu ma na obi ehu se ampa because aban bi abakwa former president no commission eye wo friend say polytank ye raise kosora omo erect ya no aya no akobunsu say ja ye commission but this time yes ye on industrialization and Ghana are witnessing the industrialization and ye kon
quickly maybe so now can say aye bi da wo ha ye nkohwehwe debi way back 2016 na ora Eje Domson no wa
party or structures into party structures from national your national campaign team your regional campaign team your constituency campaign team we come down as party structure to electoral area coordinators which is the electoral area campaign team to the level of even the polling station campaign team into Owura Anthony Efa Obona Probo ewo constituency level na Honorable Eje Domson so the name de and na edwumedi na so e de tanaji into ebehwa na national campaign team no mu and so mbiri bia no be yan ho biara no we push no aba dam no aba be edwumedi ani yedi into se ehwa yes say na wa hira was system no he was part of the national campaign team of which the national executives are aware of what we are saying. It is Obi say he is a true party member. It in here can say as a party Obi set the agenda de my 2020 year. We are not going to follow that agenda. Simple as that.
Now my say skirt and blouse yet say Eje Domson Alanche skirt and blouse no and yes anete ura yedawasi. Now your koswa edin komo no mbisa o. Esigma Odobin Brakwa district as a whole. Vision Bay and NPP and Owura Eje Domson aban ɛwɔ Edema district.
But I see brain. Your vision is so same. Ye befe gwa wo esikuma do membrapa. The whole esikuma do membrapa a district and the constituency on its own. Ye befa egwa na school feeding ewo esikuma do membrapa. There 12. Now we can count of school feeding program 48. Ewo school sa ye wo. It is a what if you say ya add more. Now we are talking about the youth. Youth any man be an any daso. Your national policy, it me boy ye nyina. Na na do say sabe. Si ewie school na ye ne number sa benche mechira. E de bia na emfa first no. Ye mu a what
Let's come to the constituency level.
I am a kaba.
Okay.
Because it all comprises of the youth. Sure. Sometimes your national policy, you have to look at those people on grounds. One or decentralized no into your district. Into near the BB, you made dear air phrase HS, ya diabahati. Into Obi or West Sigma of Membra, and the metia bedumba, the shika home. And also a benefiting from it. Now, ya by your media ye dear. Ya walk in your marketing kitchen, ya launch youth in agriculture. We said, we don't concentrate on the agriculture sector.
Yeah.
It is so big as all quack ye if we are. Last me catch a teacher, be massa. So we punish him now to adoma me amendo. Because acquires are a punishment. It is so be a bibina sell casa on Koda, now say a punishment. But to me, what it will be what it I don't want it to him. Binyam Kutapoko more than 10 acres. As a young guy, into Yansu introducing youth in agriculture. Send your bay able to mania in your man, Akasia with crude yemu. Yes, sounds sweet, you're launching youth in entrepreneurship. Who's actually you made the bra? The brain now energy to say, what is your doing, Mahu? Inti, Obisa, young tradesman for now. One of us your hairdressing, one of us your a year at the pump. When you are the youth in the Biaka Pushima, you're financing one at the consciency at the district level. Send a bear, send people when you know to me because any of you say, or might be able to power. It can skill training so. Because you can see a quack when you could school. One of my time of fair shall we? Until we are training people. Ye my chance any woody num, young chance any asabe, woody num. Your child near 2 months chance any wood ya. Watch an obey dear we now who can offer your being a fufu. Into ye what in Bebu ya one. People are also into sporting activities. This year, Bishop was said this year we are going to launch AstroTurf. It was not a member and it has been signed. Yamencha the COVID in never year Nyoma Bina.
Where is the location?
Location two locations. Either Esikuma or Brapa. Inti Yabon Pais, yes, Yamfembra, the district capital, Esikuma. Inti Minua, and by the close of this year, I'm going to say AstroTurf. They have started doing it. Esikuma. Maybe yes, site a boy school. This is Yadom, that's a Ebasuya. We are going to do AstroTurf. I bet to my and the sporting activities at the district. Akoso. Young who say, and also need to me picture a year income level no at the consul into which Germany and Bra COVID by an one born a day. Ubasha no one to media alcohol and Tempala, what the sporting activities and what the shares first. Send a bear would be boost the economy. It is in any part of the one more coverage over for no born at the way to America where be a sporting activities in the super. We did the same Bebu Bialy no I said your bet you too. Some Bebu no to Susia at the year. Now one more chance and Juman at the Amjidi say. By the time you close, you know, Yebeka say MPP are buying 4 years more now. Ye anymore yet to accomplish. That's just a BBI come.
Okay, BBI come. Give you now. You share Yakwan away district. Maybe say you're doing Ejina Bibi so. A Pempi Naramaya, yet you who there. Say a buying be our power. Not say or ye BBI. With free power. Not say the next government no able take the position. I am a project now. Yana a buy no ejayego and MPP and a J. Thompson government ebe to aside and so on.
That's it, babe. Who's all kind of sorry? Yeah, you used to $28 million. Yeah, there you 4 overheads, 4 flyovers. I'm a Ghana, yeah, crabeshe. That's the NDC to me use it.
In a minute, please. In a minute. It should be in a minute. Yeah.
Yes. Now, NDC should to me use 25. At the year 1. Which is which? I feel a Ghana football say, I feel a year of road. A fee and year brim to a Sikuma. Contractors are on road. They are constructing the road. efi Odobin and I say Sikuma de Kosua Drew. Contractors are coming to the road. One more year all the civil works, your civil works now. One more year gutters na no kahuni near we. What about by filling? Then we start tallying the road. We are Sino Hydro. I sign our China. One more start each road. Baby see a man for pong. Then from a man for pong, yeah, Tiaso, Abetrim, Eddie, a fee, a man for pong, the first Sikuma, Efuma, Kwakusi, a year, your friend, Gobu Hokobing. Eduma collide. It MPP, you was share the straight about me only and you do not only plans. No, need you made in your canning enough to. You will say you made now a couple to my own office.
Well. All right, I was a bit young, into me and to I am commodity. So, Yajidi said, and Bra Ada, you may sign out on after now, answer my Beconoma, what you for any assign was subscribed, a friend is saying. Why endorse Bremaman TV? Am I? Why endorse Bremaman TV?
Make sure you made the idea. In fact, it's very wonderful. And I can say, the people are so young, you see, I do. Who can see a boy. People might think, say, Master, maybe, but I do maybe a DBA Subia, Nashasi, a day, Isra. It's in a bit more can say, one coso. Na Mutu Imana Bremaman TV. Yentum enkoso any dujuma ebetuma mwa ordinary Ghanaian to the level of even a small member when he be as a share baby yentenen kan onti yenka won say media ye di no ekoso afini America che a small member apa aye ni e ka ho bi ni say mayen kotu aba enfema nkonfo mo betu akobokina mayen kotu aba enfema obi a 7 ye beto to cars dia ma ebi mu aye na engine aso biala mayen to aba nkoma obi a sebe obetam Ghana Japade de akoma obi ona ankasa ni nua mayen to aba mfa mo obi a obewie no na afi aye mansoche na dwumedi a yedi no yehu be ye kɔ ye ba ye nto aba ma na Akufo-Addo na Akufo-Addo no wo entuade hu kase ede mo man ye nto aba ma Honorable Ejedomse na yenya MP yenya presidential yenya 2 year ejidi sɛ ye dwumedi a yedi biara no ebekoso na Ghana ayekra behwe medase bebre
so that's Orion that was bebre we Bremaman TV Orion and I no educate and comono Orion and I no educate and comono the former assembly member and election directorate for Sikuma Odobin Bravo NPP.
Now you are go big